Welcome to the vlog. So it is currently Wednesday. And I wanted to vlog our last week of school. So I don't know how I'm gonna break this up, if I'm gonna break this up, how the vlog's gonna go, but I'm just gonna vlog what I remember to vlog, and that will be that. So today we're going to dinner with Emma Short, friend of the channel. So we're gonna do that. It's currently like 3 p.m. I need to work on I need to do some stuff for the podcast, and then also edit a YouTube video, my prom video. But before I do any of that, I need to put away my clothes. So this morning, since I basically had nothing to do, I got everything just like in piles. So now I'm just gonna go through and like hang them up. So I'm just gonna get my laptop, which is downstairs, and we'll get a little hungry, and we're not getting dinner until like 7. So I'm also, while we're here, going to pick out all of my outfits for the next like 4 days, because I have tomorrow alone is like 4 outfits, because we have the elementary school walks, senior trip, middle school walks, and then senior sunset all in one day. So trailer, it's probably already out by the time you see this, but it is being released in like a couple weeks. And oh my god, like, what? I need it now. CinemaCon happened so long ago and we still haven't gotten the freaking trailer. Anyways, here is the outfit. Shirt is from Old Navy. It's like a little cropped, just like washed tee. Bag is from Baggu, and then jeans are from Hollister. Probably gonna wear my blazers, and now it is currently 6:15. I don't know what time Shiren is coming, but I need to get started on the podcast. So बस एक बार मैं देखूं तुझे और एक पल में देखूं तुझे बस एक बार मैं देखूं तुझे और एक पल में देखूं तुझे. If I could these shoes, I have a shoe bite because we took grad photos yesterday, and I really should not have worn those shoes, but it's fine. It's a little uncomfortable, but beauty is pain, is it not? Split it up and everything, but I just started vlogging. I was like, hey, I'm going to dinner with Emma and Shiren. So,
and then he didn't vlog any of it.
After the dinner, after dessert, and after the Target run.
Yes.
This is us post hangout.
Okay, I'm gonna go take the donut wall inside.
Okay.
Oh, let me pop the trunk. Don't forget your Nana's ice cream.
I won't. Holy
I love
shark, that's so big.
I know.
Oh, we came outside. Would you like to just come inside my house to see my house?
Wait. Oh. Here are the pegs.
Oh, there's a stand. Oh, wow. Would you like to just come inside?
I don't know. Is that weird? Guys, this is my first time in his house. Oh my god, I'm scared. Hey, oh my gosh, block out your number.
I will.
Okay. You're so fancy. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the house. I'm blocking.
You know what she compared your house to?
What?
The Team 10 house.
No,
Hello?
She was like you know it.
It's very empty right now, but...
Ooh. This is probably $100 right here. All of these. Is it 10 each?
No, it's 1 for 1
Oh,
vlog.
I knew that.
It's 10 for a full sleeve.
Yes.
I love this. This is my baby.
Do you use the frother?
Not often. I use this more for matcha. Oh my god. My air fryer is yelling. This is my
tour.
This is my Chamberlain.
Oh my
matcha.
goodness.
It's
It looks it.
blue. Like you put
That
it in
is so-
water and it turns blue.
So
It's
fancy.
radioactive.
That is so fancy. Look how organized that is.
No, that's all her.
Delicious.
She's saying how organized our pantry is.
Are you getting up close?
This is how I am. Yes.
Am I doing good imitating you?
She has an internship in London, which is why she can't come to my grad party.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to let me just peek because.
Oh my, no, it's taller.
Okay. Because this is like my dream coming true
Literally,
here
this
at
is
Team
me.
10.
This is me writing down the timestamps
Aw,
because my
Doing
laptop
work.
was being weird.
hard at work. Wait, thumbnail.
Oh my god. And then I photoshopped us in it.
Aww.
This is the music.
Is this your to-do list? Or what is
That's the makeup essays I need to write for Liv.
Awesome. Mike.
Oh my god, so many memories. I actually love this house. Where's the little bat I played with? I wish I started recording before I said that.
Guys,
on my own
like,
phone.
I had this really cute clip and I was like doing this like in and out like sequence and somebody told me that I wasn't recording. I'm really embarrassed.
I'm sorry.
It's okay,
I'll let you
guys.
know.
I'll do it again.
Okay, here you go.
Oh yeah, is this how you hold? How do you hold your phone? Like,
Sometimes
you
I
do
use
it
the
really
selfie
good.
camera, and then sometimes I just do that 0.5.
you do it really good. Okay,
Hey.
Shiren, move.
So these are flowers from prom,
Wow, so pretty.
and
It's
then
not the same.
this is just like my little library. Have you seen the purse bowl trend? Where like everything you would put in your purse, you just put in a bowl, and you can fill up. If you're changing purses and stuff, you can like just take stuff out here. It's empty right now because I took everything. But this is just like before I leave the house, a little.
Love. Is that Rare Beauty?
We got it for free.
La La Land.
The day that these came out, we went to La La Land. I got there at 5 in the morning
What
and
is it?
waited in line. It's a body mist.
Stop! I know it smells so good.
Sorry.
Don't spray it on me. I'll get sick.
Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that is really good. How would I even describe that?
Awaken confidence is how
It's
Rare
giving,
Beauty
like-
describes it.
It's giving like lemon.
Yes, it's very citrusy.
Yes, it's very good,
And
but
your
also
outfit for
flower.
tomorrow.
What?
Your outfit for tomorrow.
Yes. Okay.
Is it picked out? Oh, I'll cry. Stop. It could have been so much worse in here.
Okay. This is the room.
Ta-da!
This is my little board.
Oh, I love it. You need to do an extensive like house or room tour.
I know I should. These are
I'm
all-
doing it for you right here.
These are all my playbills. I have Harry Potter, so I just don't know where to put it.
I love a good board like this. Oh my gosh, the plane ticket.
Yes, plane
Taylor
ticket,
Swift.
Eras tour. This was my Christmas cruise. Go watch Vlogmas. Senior Sunrise.
Oh, you're gonna have another one.
And then this was a summer camp I did where I didn't have the phones. Adams. My Harry Potter ticket. Plane. This is when I was in
That's still
Cancun.
broken.
No, we fixed it. You can jump on it. Not, please don't like jump on it, but like
Sit on it.
this was from a wedding that my family went to. My Wicked ticket.
Iconic.
Also Vlogmas. Shiren's grandma's birthday where we all were in the circle and cried.
All of us.
Oh, this was my one and only time doing stage dooring
Oh,
for
that's
Back to the
iconic.
Future. And it was so much fun, and I will never forget this. This was like, it was fine. I remember my
This
obsession
was
with
good.
kids.
I do.
Remember,
It's
very
still
much
there.
Still there.
Yeah, no, I love.
Oh my god, Gracie, it's.
Yes. Okay, so this is the sign. This was not like the sign. It's not the sign because I gave Gracie the actual sign. But I made 3 options and I took them all to the tour. And I was like asking the people around me which one should I show. And so Gracie has the main one. I put one up here. And then I guess y'all can come into the closet with me.
Oh my gosh, the iconic closet. I've seen
this
this
is
too.
also...
Aww.
My closet is relative.
Hello, I'm the biggest fan. Or
This
wait,
is so-
you somehow make it a better view, I feel like, than this.
Shireen.
Try to be seen.
I'm also just taller,
You're
so
like-
like I stand back here because of the lighting.
Wait, I forgot about that frame.
You're like, what should I pack
Hello?
for New York? Here's what I'm
No,
gonna pack
li-
for New York.
That's what's it called? That is tripod over there. Or sometimes that little side table by
Did
my
you
chair.
write on it?
Yeah, I did. I had twisted siblings.
Oh,
This was for
That's cute.
this was my birthday gift, right?
Yeah, I think I gave it to your birthday.
And
wait,
then
they need to see this setup here.
So-
Cute.
this is like my little my junk drawer for just myself. It has like my camera lenses, my chargers, all of the things. This is my senior box that I printed on my birthday. What's here? There's a lot in here. It's kind of full.
That's adorable.
And then this is from Adams. One of my friends got me. And
I hope that
then
you haven't ate the chocolate.
this
For the memes.
Shireen got me this for my birthday.
That's so cute.
And then
Little did we know.
what?
The YouTube matching sweatshirts.
On my first day at UT, can we wear those?
Look at all these shelves
Actually,
and
not
how
on your first
perfect
day.
they
It'll
are.
die.
What?
It'll be very hot.
Yeah, it will. And then yeah,
Oh,
all
me
my
in the
vinyls,
Look at me in the frame.
my camera,
Wow.
all of my hair and body stuff.
Nice, nice. Okay, some nice colognes.
Dirt.
Why are you hiding Sauvage?
It's like starting to get empty. That's why.
Okay, I see.
This was my vision board, but it didn't really turn out very well. Remember how I kept asking us to vision board when we painted?
Yeah.
This was the closest I got. That's my brother.
Stop.
And then that's my sister-in-law.
It's so cute. Did you like print these out or did you actually like cut
No,
them out?
I
of-
like was a counselor for like a middle school event.
Nice.
And so we just had these. And I had Disney because we were supposed to go to Disney for our...
I
You
get
got
to
scooped.
know. You should like beep
Yeah,
through it. You should-
I like people. This is my
I like beep.
memory box, not my senior box, but this is just memories. I just have photos from... Wait, let's go to my room. Let's go. Let's travel. I have the biggest closet in my house. Aside
Yeah,
from my
it is
room's.
real nice.
Oh my god.
Is it not in here?
What are you looking for?
The newsroom. Oh my god, the print cover. Our little proof that we printed. Did you like this?
So cute. The laptop with the label on it.
This was New Year's.
Vlogging.
This is my child.
Aww.
Why is it so big? It's like my size.
It is.
Wait, it's really small.
It is. This was after y'all all got the dinos, so I wanted a weighted
Okay.
Oh, that's really heavy.
Yeah. And then I also have a weighted blanket.
I'm standing sturdy. I'm sorry. I'm being a tripod.
Perfect. That's all I needed.
That's totally.
Are you separate?
Wait.
Is
it recording? It is recording.
Oh my god, she didn't die.
I will.
Oh, it is pretty heavy. Oh, that's gonna be good. Oh, that's gonna be good.
And there's like 4 speeds.
You guys are set. Are you gonna vlog the trip?
Yeah.
Is this gonna be your like last week of senior year vlog?
I'm gonna
should
do
be.
this week and gonna like today, tomorrow, and Friday is gonna be one vlog, and then last week is gonna be one. I might separate Thursday and Friday from the rest of the week, and then graduation will be its own.
Are you
Except you
vlogging at grad
can't
parties?
vlog it.
Yeah. Oh, my brother's gonna vlog.
Oh, okay, cute.
You should vlog at our grad parties.
Literally the
Yeah,
worst.
I will.
The worst
It's so
experience
stupid.
ever
I
is
want my
finding your
phone.
parents
I want my phone.
after.
I
You
want
can't
my
even have a
phone
watch.
so
You can't even have a
bad.
watch. You can't have any.
I'm wearing my dad's.
I want my phone so
See
bad.
if they'll let you because
Wait,
they
what
like.
if I sneak it?
Okay,
Like-
mine was at UNT.
So I know that was kind of an abrupt ending, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. Come here. I may or may not have planned all of the content until my birthday. Now, keyword is planned, so hopefully I will stick on schedule and all will go as planned. If not, y'all will know, life happens. But for now, thank you so much for watching this video in specific. Emma is currently abroad, so everyone send her so much love in the comments. I'm gonna miss her so much, and I'm hoping that she has the best time. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below love for Emma and also what your favorite part of my house was, because I literally gave you all my house tour. So peace.